There are many videos on the internet over resistant starches. Basically, when you cook rice and you store it in the fridge, it becomes resistant starch. It does not raise your sugar as much as the freshly cooked rice. So the question arises, how much sugar does a resistant starch raise? Is it enough for people those who want to lose weight or who are diabetic? And how much of these resistant starches can diabetics and Weight Watchers take? Today we will find out everything with experimentation. So share this video with every diabetic and Weight Watcher that you know. Assalamu alaikum wonderful people, I am Dr. Asma and this is fish biryani. We will experiment on this fish biryani. The recipe of this fish biryani will be found in the description box below. Anyway, I am checking my sugar levels before eating the biryani. It is 75 and I have made this fish biryani with everything which is non-keto friendly. Okay, I have used rice, I have used tomatoes, onions, everything that you add in the biryani, and the biryani tastes wonderful. It is smelling really awesome. And I'll be taking this fish biryani tonight with this green smoothie. Green smoothie is wonderful for the hair, skin and nails, and even for digestion. The recipe of this green smoothie can be found on our channel. Do subscribe to our channel because you will find all the wonderful recipes, healthy recipes on our channel. Anyway, today we have an important experiment to perform. First, we will check our sugar levels 1 hour after eating this freshly made biryani. Then we'll put this biryani in the fridge overnight, make it resistant starch, and check our sugar levels again. So I'm now setting the alarm for 1 hour because 1 hour is the time mark when the maximum sugar level occurs for anything that is eatable. For anything drinkable, it occurs after half an hour. So our sugar level was 75, and 1 hour after taking the freshly made biryani, our sugar level comes out to be 100. Okay, there's a difference of 25 units. Keep in mind that the rice that I used to make this fish biryani is Sela rice. Sela rice is the rice with the lowest glycemic index. Okay, secondly, I'm not a rice person, so I did not even eat a whole plate of this fish biryani. You can see some of it is left in the plate, which is not a good thing. You should always clean your plates. Plus, I fast regularly and my usual diet does not have such amount of carbohydrates. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is these findings will not translate into your findings. Like, you can never assume that since a plate of biryani raised my sugar levels by 25 units, it will always raise for you also, it will be 25 units. Anyway, I stored this biryani in the fridge overnight, and in the morning you can see I have the same biryani. Again, we will take a plate, we will check our sugar levels before eating the biryani. And I'm not a rice person, and I'm not a diabetic, and I don't like to stick needles in my fingers. This I'm doing only for you. For my patients, I'm doing all these experiments. Otherwise, everything is written in the books. So my sugar level before eating 1 day old biryani converted into resistant starch is 72. Now we will see how much sugar it raises after 1 hour. And as you can see, just like yesterday, I left a bit of biryani in my plate to make the experiment standardized. Okay, so 1 hour is up, and we will see how much is my sugar level 1 hour after eating this resistant starch biryani that is left overnight. It is 92. That is a difference of 20 units. With the freshly made biryani, my difference was 25 units. With the resistant starch biryani, it is 20 units. Not much of a difference. And according to our rules, we can see that if I had been 50 years, these findings would have translated into this plate of biryani being good for me even if I had diabetes. But the thing is, I'm not 50 years and I don't have diabetes. So what we find is resistant starches do reduce the blood sugar levels, but this reduction is not good enough for the food to be classified as good for diabetics or those who want to lose weight. But the thing is, if you're not taking any precautions, this simple precaution might help you out. So in the comment section below, let me know how your body reacts to resistant starches. That is a rice that is 1 day old kept in a fridge. And take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.